Are you a Power BI user looking to save time, automate tasks, and enhance your reports? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing the best free Power BI tools that will transform your workflow. All the links to these tools are available in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Power BI is incredible, but let's be honest, some tasks take way too long. Whether it's writing complex DAX, optimizing queries, or customizing themes, these free tools will do the hard work for you. Remember, all the tool links are in the description below. Make sure to explore them after watching this video. First up, we have the DAX Auto Generator. If you struggle with complex DAX functions, this tool will change your life. Just input your requirements and it generates error-free, optimized DAX formulas instantly. No more trial and error, just fast, accurate formulas. Next, we have the Power BI Query Generator. If writing long M queries slows you down, this tool is your solution. Enter your transformations, and it automatically generates the correct M code, ready to use in Power Query. Perfect for ETL processes and saving hours of manual coding. Want to make your reports look more professional and engaging? The Power BI Report Theme Customizer lets you apply stunning themes in just a few clicks. Match your company branding, experiment with colors, and impress your audience effortlessly. If your Power BI reports are slow, the DAX Query Optimizer is a game changer. It analyzes and improves your DAX queries, ensuring faster performance and smoother dashboards. No more laggy reports, just high-speed analytics. Thinking about getting Power BI certified? Test your knowledge with the Power BI Certification Quiz. It challenges you with real-world Power BI questions and prepares you for certification exams. See how many questions you can get right. Challenge yourself today. Last but not least, meet the Power BI SQL to DAX Converter. If you come from an SQL background, this tool is a lifesaver. Simply paste your SQL query and it converts it into DAX format instantly. Perfect for transitioning from SQL-based tools to Power BI. And there you have it, 6 powerful free Power BI tools to boost your reports, automate tasks, and save hours of work. All the download links for these tools are in the description below, so go check them out. Which tool do you find the most useful? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because more Power BI tips are coming your way. Check out all these tools for free at sqqueries.in, link in the description. See you in the next video.